Welcome to this week's Market Bite. I'm
Yeah.
Sheri Satterwhite, and this is Carol Basnight. We
Excited
are
to be here.
very excited to be here and looking forward to this weekend and sort of the end of summer. It's hard to believe.
Big old Labor Day coming
It
up.
is.
Yeah, and it's beautiful, y'all. Come on down here.
The temperature's
Enjoy.
amazing.
It really is. And
We are live at Blair Farms at this lovely home, and Blair Farms is in the heart of Morehead City, close to everything downtown.
Yeah.
And we wanted to talk to you a little bit today about shifting markets and what it means to you and how important it is to have a local expert.
Right. The regional market here, it's evolving, Sheri. I mean, buyers are becoming much more deliberate, and properties are staying on a lot longer in some cases, depending on where they are. But definitely overall, the days on market have increased like 32%. So it gives buyers an opportunity to be deliberate and to not be in some kind of high competitive frenzy.
Which is a nice change for them.
It is.
And I think it's important for our buyers and sellers to know that, so the sellers aren't as worried about it, and the buyers know that they have a little more time and they can be more deliberate to find the perfect home.
Right, and it's an opportunity for savvy buyers.
It
but
is.
It's still a great value for sellers because things are still selling and the prices really have stayed pretty stable this year. I mean, the average sale price in Carteret County is not even, I mean, I think it's up 1%.
Right.
So it's about the same. But this shift, though, makes it really important than ever to have a knowledgeable agent that on your side. Markets are hyper local. I mean, you know, what's happening in Blair Farm, which is what we're going to talk about here today, is not necessarily what's going on in Morehead or in Atlantic Beach or Emerald Isle. And you know, we work all of them and we can get stats on every single one in every single neighborhood. But it takes an agent that
understands that every neighborhood and every part of Carteret County is a little different.
That's true.
And what it means in that particular area. And agents that are out of town don't necessarily understand these markets, and I think it ends up being a disservice to the buyer.
Yeah, and to the seller because they don't, you know, they really don't know how to price them. You know, if you're using a local agent, you can price strategically because they have access to all the information. Plus, they have local knowledge and they have a feel for what buyers are looking for because they're working in it every day.
Correct.
And then, you know, we know how to market this particular area. I mean, I just feel like a local agent is important.
It is, and I think in particular to Blair Farms, the days on market have been a little bit longer, and I think they're up this year about 45%, I believe you told me.
Yeah,
And so
they're up to 29 though. That's not a whole lot.
No, it's a month.
From 20, so that's really not that much. But as far as the number sold, we've sold the same number this year in Blair Farm than we sold last year, but we only sold 4 houses.
Right.
But this year, the total active is up 50%.
And I think it's important to note as you're looking at homes, if you're talking about 30 days on the market, say in Blair Farms, or 40 days, whatever it is, that you take into consideration the home in particular. These homes were built in 2000, and so now they're 20 years old, 25 years old.
Yeah.
The home that I have where we are today was completely renovated in 2022. It is absolutely magnificent. So it's different.
It is different.
It's going to sell more quickly. And we know that because we know what's been done.
And you can price it more than what the average house sold for in this neighborhood.
Exactly.
So it just takes, you know, it takes a little research on your agent's part, but I mean, it's what we do every day, and we enjoy it.
This is what we do.
I'm going to tell you what, Sheri, this was the first time I've been in this house today, and it is awesome. I mean, the woodwork in there, the wainscoting, I just can't get over it.
It's amazing. Archie Davis was the builder who came in and did all of the work in 2022. And it is a new chef's kitchen, high-end appliances, all of the wainscoting, the doors, the trims, the bathrooms, completely redone. They added a bonus space or a fourth bedroom. They added an office space. So there are 4 bedrooms here. There are 3.5 baths.
Oh, and the screen porch.
Oh, it's
Fenced-in
absolutely
yard.
amazing.
Fenced-in yard.
Close to downtown, walking trail in the neighborhood, a pool for a minimum fee of maybe $450 for the year. It is a lovely home. I am going to do an open house this weekend, Saturday from 10 to 2. Please come see me. It is amazing. But I think that, thank you so much for coming with me today and talking about how important it is to have a local agent, because that's the key right now in particular.
So. I agree. Happy to be here at this beautiful house and excited about Labor Day.
Yes, we are, and thank you for joining us today. I hope to see you at the open house this Saturday, again 10 to 2, 1510 Marsh Pointe.
Yay!